Hi everyone, in this chapter we are going to talk about how to quickly switch track widths when routing. When we are laying out tracks, we often need to use different widths, so how do we switch between them quickly? Actually, there are a few ways. The first way is to set up some commonly used widths in advance. For example, we can add 5 mil, 10 mil, and maybe 14 mil. You can also adjust the order so the most common ones show up at the top. Once that's done, whenever we start routing, the default width will follow the design rules, as you can see here. The system automatically brings in the rule-defined width. Now, if we want to switch quickly, we just press Shift W. That brings up the list of custom widths we set earlier. So we added 40 mil. We can switch to it instantly, and the track width changes right away. Press Shift W again, and you can pick another one. Very handy. That's the quick switch method while drawing. Another approach is to set widths for specific nets inside the design rules. For example, we can create a new net class called Power, specifically for power chassis. Here we set the default width to 20 mil and increase the minimum width as well. Then we add the common power nets like 3.3 watt, 5 watt, GND, and then to this class. This way, whenever we are routing one of these power lines, the system automatically uses the predefined width. No need to switch manually each time. It's much more efficient. The second way is to enter the custom width directly. For example, if I want a 0.4 mm trace, I just tap in. And from then on, the routing will follow that value instead of the design rule. The third way is while routing, hold down Ctrl and right-click. That also brings up a quick width menu. It works similarly to the rule-based and Shift W methods, just another shortcut. So to summarize, for common widths, add them to the set and use Shift W to toggle quickly. For fixed nets, set width in the design rule so they switch automatically. For temporary changes, either use Ctrl right-click or just tap in a custom width. Using this method together will really speed up your routing and save you from constantly adjusting settings. Thanks for watching.